great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power tailgate, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.